Okay.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? Good.
Hello. I want to say thank you. My name is Rohini and he is my husband Navjeet. We run a company, Spectrum Blinds, in Sydney, and we bought a machine from Hitec company, and we are very happy with the overall experience. And especially a big thanks to Jack and Mr. Wong. They are awesome engineers. They work very hard. They came to Australia, they set up our machine, and it was very stress-free for us. So we would definitely recommend this company. Thank you so much.
Yeah, they both are very good. I would give them 100% credit. They
Yeah.
came here, they put their all efforts and they installed perfectly for us.
Yeah.
We are definitely thankful for Hitec and especially for their engineers. They are awesome. We give them 100 out of 100.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very
Thank you.
much.